Want to say big up to Island Express, Kevin and crew. Thanks guys for always coming through for us. We have been working with you and you have been working with us, and honestly I can say I love the hands-on experience, and I love the fact that we get our package when we say our package is gonna be there, and all that stuff. And I still love my £5 free shipping now and again, as well as other things that is going on. Just wanna say you have an awesome business going, man. And anyone out there who have not tried or have been using Island Express, I will vouch for them. Trust me, it's a good entity. They are good people, honest people, hardworking people, and they get their jobs done on time. Big up yourself.